engine management light on here and the spanner light there, and also exhaust filter over limit service now. However, after that they are ending with damage DPF. Sometime when you do the regen, it's going to be work. Couple of days after that, all lights come back. If you have something related to the master or and high raving, filter clock up, computer doing the whole thing. I'm just watching the computer. See, it's changed. Exhaust filter overload. Welcome to the channel. I'm Charlie. This is Ford Transit Connect 2020. We'll see what happened inside the car. You can see mileage 26,636, very low mileage. I'm going to start the car. Oil change, see manual, and also engine management light on here and the spanner light there, and also exhaust filter over limit service now. However, I'm going to plug in my computer and try to take a codes out. Got the computer report out. Under the engine management there is a 3 faulty code: particulate filter restriction, bank 1, and also there is a mass airflow sensor in range but higher than expected. When people see this message, they are attend to DPF and they are going to clean the DPF hose. It's called hose regen. However, after that they are ending with damage DPF. Sometime when you do the regen, it's going to be work. Couple of days after that, all lights come back. If you have something related to the mass airflow sensor, better to check vacuum system or the air system in the engine. First, find out any air leak in the engine bay. If you find out air leak, first you sort out the air leak. I done the vacuum test and I found out this hose, you can see crack here. That's why your boost pressure high and the mass airflow sensor message turn up. However, I ordered the parts from the Ford. Then I'm going to replace this hose. After that, I'm going to look after DPF system. I replaced vacuum hose. Anymore, no vacuum leaking around this area. I'm going to inside the car and play with computer. I'm going to start the car and going to take a live data. And at the moment, diesel particulate filter inlet 7 point something, it's going up and down, doesn't matter. Right. What I'm going to do, I'm going to hold the raving RPM around 3000 for a 2-3 minutes. I'm going to release the pressure. Right. Yeah, bit better to me. Now I'm going back and clean the all 4 ports. You can see boost pressure sign already gone. However, I'm going to clean everything. All clean now. Then I'm going to back and going to do the regen process now. This is the regen process. We need to follow the computer instruction from onward now. Still, I can't start the regen process because engine coolant temperature 63 is need to be reached 75 or 80. Then I am going to give more gas and driving car until it's coming to the correct temperature. can see now regen process start, engine high revving, filter plug up, computer doing the whole thing. I'm just watching the computer. See, it's changed, exhaust filter, overload, keep driving. That's why computer doing the whole thing. No need to worry. I'm waiting for the until process to finish. Then job done. If you have like this problem, you need to sort out air leak first. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and follow our channels. You can get a lot of useful video and tips like this. Thank you.